What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Valencia.
And I'm your boy Leroy.
And you are Kicking It With The Smells. Okay, y'all. Today we sitting in the car. We about to do a in the car McDonald's Mukbang. So, yeah. I got a orange hot seat. They forgot my straw, so I got to drink out the doggone open this up for me. I got spicy nuggets, y'all. So, what you do?
Hey. I can't get nothing. I got a fish fillet. Y'all finna be gone in 2.3 seconds.
And you got a McDouble too. I got spicy nuggets, bacon McDouble with extra cheese, and small fry. But I already been eating out of it. Which one? Ketchup?
I eat ketchup on every burger. I did right there.
Yeah. You gotta do that strong.
These buns actually good.
Top back on here. I thought I ain't had no strawberries. Ooh, shoot. Where my stuff, Lord? I'll get those up. Try and do too much.
Halfway gone.
Woo! God damn, the drops up everywhere.
See my burger?
My fries. What's left on anyway? I didn't drop them.
You got fries?
Don't feel them, I know.
Get them later. Did you burger back?
No, I'm good. That's a fish sandwich here, right? This my McDouble, y'all, with bacon and extra cheese on it. My spicy nuggets. Show y'all how these look. Pretty sure y'all already know, but these are the spicy nuggets, you know. Oh, yeah. I'm hungry. First time eating today is what, 2 o'clock?
I wasn't out early. But I was eating cookies and milk.
Oh, my mama. No.
I said, who fixed all that? I said, I'll see y'all. My Coke, brother. I don't need to drink that. I don't need to drink these. I bought it from her. She said she don't like it. No good men do. Make sure the money don't get wasted. Ah!
Really? Barbecue sauce. Put barbecue sauce on my burger.
You're not supposed to say barbecue sauce. You're supposed to say barbecue sauce. Yeah, but
Nope. Been in a bad mood today, y'all. Stop playing whatever you're doing.
how you know I did something?
No, you did something.
Why you in a bad mood?
Woke up in a bad mood. How you be when you're pregnant? Wake up in a different mood.
I don't know why you like this dog.
Some people don't be pregnant, still wake up like that. Tell you about it. That's it. Dip my burger in my barbecue sauce, y'all. You do it too.
McDonald's burger be like smoked sausage patties.
Smoked sausage patties.
I mean, that's sausage patties.
Oh. Cause I ain't know they made those. My legs burning. I don't know why. Nugget. I gotta show y'all more than what I'm showing y'all. Nugget. Not the sauce. Where my little fries? Where my little fries go? Where my little fries go? I heard. Mine's the animal 7.
Barbecue sauce. They want it.
So ate it like it was.
Always food.
Dang.
So, fish fillet was alright. We just eating it to put something on our stomach. We on the move. I'm trying to see my grandparents for the leave. I grabbed something. Now usually we eat good. Like
Usually he eat good. I don't eat good. I eat what my stomach, what I have a taste for, because I can't, if I don't eat what I have a taste for, I'm not going to eat it. I can't eat it. I'll waste it.
I ain't been eating on the Subway.
Let's say
Salads.
Let's say Subway ain't good for you though. Get what they say. On all the bread. But you ain't trying to lose no weight. You just trying to,
Eat right.
You gotta stay away from all that starchy and pork and fried food and stuff. Ooh, stomach, oh.
I can't wait. I can't wait till this baby come out.
I'm the one carrying them.
Yeah, I gotta deal with you.
You ain't got to do nothing.
I know I don't. I choose to.
I don't give a hush.
Because you love my life. Blushing. There you go.
No, you making me laugh, bro.
I know it
You want some of these nuggets?
Man, heck no.
Taste one.
B, I done taste about 3 of them. You ain't even seen.
For real?
You don't even know it. Let me taste some of this. Dang.
Look, I'm trying to get to that ice.
I'm do it for you.
No. Oh, my stomach. Oh, it just started hurting. Oh, my God.
You always getting all this food and don't eat it.
Because I be hungry.
Your eyes be longer than your belly. What's a piece of coffee? I'll probably do too.
Oh, it's strong. Excuse me.
Think they warm that bacon up.
Well, you know they do. Oh, my stomach. Oh, my God. What's the world? What's going on in there?
You don't like the spicy nuggets?
Oh. You gotta brush your burger. Get it. Oh. That's what I go through, y'all. 3 more weeks, Lord.
That's what I go through. I always got it. Ain't no doggone garbage disposal.
Stop acting like a dude.
What made you think I wanted this burger?
No, you did.
Do I like the burger either?
Like a food we do. You see food, you gonna eat it. God, this boy just kicking like this. This how he move. This is what I feel in my stomach. This is what it look like he doing in there.
Yeah, I hope you
Y'all just got it out like this. Like he just constantly doing it. He had them moments where he just be constantly doing it. I'm like, dang, bro.
Yeah, what when it come out?
Time up. Woo.
What do you think it'll be like when you get out?
I have no idea. When he be here. Not much you. Healthy, strong baby boy.
Yep.
With some fat chips.
Well, you pull on
Good for him.
your fat face.
You don't have fat face anymore.
What is that?
Both of them got fat face.
You got a fat face?
You look like
Long.
shut up. Ray don't have your hair, your hair jeans.
He'll be a leader. He gonna be good when he ball.
You say ball or with it all.
Yep. You got them doggone glasses on. You look good.
Face look fat in the morning.
You look good at everything you do.
My face so fat.
You know you look the best.
Oh, my face fat. Look at my face. Zoom. Trying to fat, bro. But it's all good.
In the hood. Stop dropping nice so hard.
Little old ice they gave me. I should have got some ice this too. But I thought they were gonna fill it up. And I didn't want to have to buy the ice and waste it.
Sure, look at
I should have brought my finger. Yeah. I forgot. Hold it for me, please. Park on my fries right there. I'm full now. I'm full now, yeah. I can't even eat y'all.
try to miss it.
Barbecue sauce. But y'all,
Hey, you notice as gas going up, as you drive.
gas going down, right?
Yeah, but as you drive, it's like it burns fast.
You really do.
You know what I'm saying?
But yeah, we about to sign out.
I don't want to sign out. I want to sign out.
You want to sign out?
I want to talk. You don't want to talk, BB?
That's just a long video.
Sign out, BB. You look good, though. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that bird. And I know y'all looking on like, he got a half a bird. I don't want that thick stuff. Be eating half stuff all over here.
You already do that with what you get.
That's why I try to keep the trim. Take my one guard and I don't want it thick. I like it like that.
Yeah.
She want me to shave it all off. Eyebrows too.
Don't act crazy.
If I shave it all off, I'm gonna look like Samuel Jackson. She don't want that.
I'm gonna like Muhammad.
I don't look like no Muhammad. I'm gonna like Samuel. Then she's gonna be ready to divorce me. I can shave this stuff tonight. You gonna divorce me if I come out the bathroom like Samuel Jackson?
Can't.
Huh?
Can't come out like that. Yeah, I can do it. Last little piece. My last little few ice, y'all. Lord help me.
I'd be so glad. And I know this whole pregnancy, I'm spending about $1,000 on ice.
That was good. That was last of my ice.
What do you think I spent on ice? About $1,000.
No, ice ain't even that high.
Yes, it is $150. And $150 a day for 9 months.
And look. I'm full, y'all.
Oh, excuse me. Probably spent about 400, 500.
Oh, sticking the club. My red nugget.
I told Martin that birthday.
What do you say? I know.
I just seen that. Visit or something.
His birthday, Roger.
You always get
What's what we do?
some clouds. Send some drawings up.
All right, y'all.
Make a surprise face, buddy.
This is the next video.
Alright.
All right, y'all. We about to sign out. We're blowing up this house. We got lots of stuff to do today. Finish up on it. So, y'all have a blessed day, productive, safe, all that good stuff. Kind to one another, love one another. That's what I'm saying.
All I got to say is happy Easter. Remember you said it at Easter?
Leroy, we trying to sign out.
No, I'm just thinking about Easter speech. All I got to say is happy Easter Day.
You never did no Easter speech.
I used to hate them.
Anyway, we about to start talking about something else, y'all. Y'all have a nice day on Valencia.
And I'm your boy Lee, bro.
And you have been kicking it with
Sneeze. Ah.